हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल आदाब क्वांटिफायर्स में आपका फिर से स्वागत है. So in our set of the day today we are going to discuss a very good set on DI, but before we move I hope in the final phase of your preparation आप ये तीन चीजें बहुत rigorously कर रहे हैं और regularly कर रहे हैं. First thing, the daily practice from DILR book. All the sets that we discuss have been compiled in a book. वो बुक कहाँ पे है? हमारे फेसबुक ग्रुप में फाइल सेक्शन में जाके आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. फेसबुक ग्रुप का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, राइट? वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक है, राइट? हमारी जो डेली प्रैक्टिस थ्रेड्स होते हैं, जो भी ये कर रहे हैं, पीपल आर रियली फाइंडिंग इट बेनिफिशियल और वी कवर ऑल द सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन दिस. So please be very regular with these threads. And third but not the least, please attempt the free learning mocks. These are for you, absolutely free, right? So इनको करते जाओ time से and you will see tremendous improvement in your scores. Okay, let's see what today's set is all about. कहते हैं Lokesh, who trades in the commodity market, was interested in investing in two commodities, commodity A and commodity B. He followed the price of two commodities for n days, day 1 to day n. उसने कुछ 1 से 10 दिनों के लिए, 1 से 15 दिनों के लिए उसने ऑब्जर्व किया. He observed that they followed the following trend during the given period. उसने given period में ये trends follow किए. First, at the beginning of a day, if the price of commodity A was greater than that of commodity B, अगर A का प्राइस B से ज्यादा था, then the price of commodity A increased by 10. A का प्राइस हुआ 10 से ज्यादा, while the price of commodity B increased by 40. B का प्राइस हुआ 40 से ज्यादा, अगर A का ज्यादा है तो, right? At the beginning of the day, if the price of commodity A was less than or equal to B, so if A was less than or equal to B, the price of commodity A increased by 30. A का 30 से increase हो जाएगा price, and the price of commodity B increased by 10. B का increase होगा 10 से, right? These are the two conditions. At the beginning of day one, the price of commodity A was 130 and the price of commodity B was 140. अब B का ज्यादा है, right? B का ज्यादा है तो क्या करेंगे? Day 2 पे क्या होगा? Consider that price of a commodity indicates the price only at beginning of the day. अब day के थ्रू आउट उन्होंने कोई प्राइस शो नहीं करना. This is fixed for the day. Now when there will be day 2, there will be some changes according to these conditions. अब क्या चेंज होंगे day 2 पे? अब A का प्राइस कम है तो A में इंक्रीमेंट आएगा 30 का यानी 160 और B में इंक्रीमेंट आएगा 10 का यानी 150. So this is how they will follow, and then we will move ahead. So basically, then there are questions according to n is equal to 15, n is equal to 100, n is equal to 73, and so on. Now, the basic rule of these type of questions or the basic methodology of these type of questions is there is always a cycle in it. जिसके बाद आपका कोई trend repeat करेगा or something. Examiner is not expecting you to solve up to n is equal to 100, right? There must be some trend in it. So let us try let us try to make a table for the days and try to find the trend, right? Okay. So it is commodity A, commodity B. Now, in the beginning of day 1, the price of commodity A was 130, while the price of commodity B was 140. The difference was 10. तो डिफरेंस अब A है और B है, तो जब B का ज्यादा होगा तो B के नीचे आई विल राइट, A का ज्यादा होगा तो A के नीचे आई विल राइट. ओके, सो दिस इज डे 1. व्हाट विल हैपन ऑन डे 2? हमारी कंडीशन क्या थी कि अगर A हमारा B से ज्यादा है, इफ A इज ग्रेटर देन B, then A share will increase by 10, B share will increase by 40, right? And if A is less than equal to B, then A share will increase by 30, right? And B share will increase by 10. ये हमारी बेसिक कंडीशन थी, राइट? अब यहाँ पे किसका ज्यादा है हमारे पास? B का ज्यादा है, राइट? B का ज्यादा है तो B का प्राइस विल बी 150 and A's price would be 30 more, that is 160. And now the difference is 10 with A, right? What will happen on third day? Now A is more, so A will increase by 10 and B will increase by 40. Now the difference is 20 with B. Okay. On fourth day, A is less, so A will increase by 30, yani 200. B will increase by 10, yani 200. So the difference on this day is 0. On the fifth day, the difference, now they are equal, but A is less than B, right? Less than equal to B. So ये वाली condition आएगी हमारी less than equal to वाली. So this will become 230 and this will become 210. Now the difference is 20 with A. Okay. Okay. On sixth day, 230, 210, this will increase by 40, 250. This will increase by 10, 240. So the difference is again 10 will be. So here is our solution, right? If you can identify, ये B वाली के पास 10 का difference दोबारा आ गया. Now as soon as the difference is 10 with B, can I say now the same cycle will follow, right? How the same for cycle will follow? Let me show you. See, it's very easy to identify. अगर हमें नहीं अभी समझ आया एक बार में. अब B is 10 more, right? Now A is lesser, so what will happen with A? A's share will increase by 30 in 270. B's share will increase by 10. So देखो, now the difference is 10 with A, 10, 10. Now A share is less, A share is more, so A share will increase by 8, sorry, by 10, and B share will increase by 40, yani 300. Ninth day, the share will be 310 each. Difference is 0. यहाँ पे difference was 20. And on the 10th day, 310 equal less than equal to है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 340, and this would be 320, right? So the difference is now 20 with A. Okay, fine. So it's simple as that. Okay. Now, if you see the trend, if you see the trend 10, 10, 20, 0, 20, 10, 10, 20, 0, 20, this is going to repeat now after every 10 days, right? After every 5 days. So there is a cycle of 5 days. After 5 days, the cycle is reset and the trend is followed, right? If I see the cost, A was 130, on 6th day it was 240. On 11th day it was 110 the difference, it will be 350, right? If I see also it is 350. So the price is increasing by 110 every 5 days. Since 5 days का cycle है, इसके बाद सब reset होगा. Similarly for B, 140, 250, 250, and then it would be 360. 320 plus 40 वैसे भी 360. So A and B, the cycle is of 5 days and the price will increase by 110 after every 5 days, right? Now I just have to follow it and I'll try to give my answers, okay? So the first question is, if n is 15, for how many days was the price of commodity A greater than B? 15 दिनों के साइकिल की बात हो रही है, 5, 10, 15. तो कितने दिन A का जो प्राइस है वो B से ज्यादा, तो बेसिकली जो 5 डेज में होगा into 3 कर देंगे, राइट? So if I say difference is these two places, A is more. These two places, A is more on day 2 and day 5. So if it is twice in 5 days, then in 15 days it will be 6 times. Very easy. राइट, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड उठा लिया मैंने कि 2 बार 5 दिनों में है तो 15 दिनों में 6 बार होगा. इफ n is equal to 100, what was the maximum difference between the prices of commodity A and commodity B on any day? Any day I can say the difference is at max 20, right? This cycle is getting repeated, so 20 से ज्यादा difference तो होगा ही नहीं कभी भी. Okay. Third, if Lokesh observed that the prices of at least one of the two commodities was less than 500 on nth day, what is the maximum possible value of n? तो बेसिकली nth डे पे किसी एक की या दोनों की ही कमोडिटी का प्राइस 500 से कम होना चाहिए, एंड ऑन n+1 डे, जो भी ये दिन है, इसके अगले दिन एटलीस्ट वन ऑफ द कमोडिटी शुड बी हायर देन 500, राइट? तो मुझे इस n की मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालनी है जिस दिन या तो कोई एक या तो दोनों प्रोडक्ट 500 से नीचे है, राइट? अभी मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया क्या कि द इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ 110, राइट? ऑन फिफ्थ डे A was 230, on B was 210, right? On 5th day. अब on 10th day क्या हुआ? On 10th day the cost increased by 110, right? So it became 340 and it became 110 यानी 320. Okay. On 15th day it will become 450, it will become 430 on 15th day. What will happen on 16th day? Now the trend will follow. On 16th day the price of price of A will increase by 10, यानी A हो जाएगा 460 and this will increase by 40, हो जाएगा 470. So यहाँ पे भी दोनों कम है. On 17th day this will increase by 30 यानी 490, this will increase by 10 यानी 480, right? ऐसे हो जाएगा अपने पास. On 18th day it will be 500 and it would be 520, ये हो जाएगा 520, right? So on 18th day I can see that price of my commodities have reached 500, both apparently. So on which day is the maximum day when the price was lower? It is 17th day. 17th day पे अपना A 490 था and B 480 था. So the maximum value on which the price of at least one of the commodities is less than 500 is 17th day, right? On 18th day both are 500 or more. Okay, if n is equal to 73, what is the difference between the average prices of commodity A and commodity B? So basically मुझे A के सारे prices and B के सारे prices up to 73rd day का difference लेना है. Now if I see A and B, instead of adding them all, I should just play with the difference, right? Why I'm saying this? Let's say let me talk about 5 days. What I need to find? 130. If I'm talking about 5 days, 130, 160, 170, 200, 230 डिवाइड बाय 5 माइनस जो सारे बी के प्राइसेस हैं डिवाइड बाय 5. तो बेसिकली देख क्या रहा हूं, डिफरेंस को तो डिवाइड बाय 5 करना है मैंने. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एडिंग देम सेपरेटली आई जस्ट वॉच आउट फॉर द डिफरेंसेस. ओके, so I know for every 5 days what is the difference. 10 20 30 10 40 30. For every 5 days difference is nullified. Every 5 days a minus b is 0. So for up to 70 days it will also be 0. 70 दिनों तक difference 0 रहेगा मेरा. On 71st day the difference of a and b would be 10, right? b अब b के पास जाएगा, ये b 72 पे आया यहाँ पे 10 and 73 पे आया 20. So difference would be nothing but 10. क्योंकि मुझे difference की बात करी गई है, magnitude की बात करनी है मैंने सिर्फ, तो 10 minus 10 plus 20, right? 30 का 20 का difference आएगा. The difference between the two cost is 20. हालांकि a minus b की terms में, in the terms of a minus b, the difference is minus 20. But since I am talking about the difference or the magnitude, I can simply take the difference as 20. And since I need to find the average, my answer is nothing but 20 by 73. So 20 by 73 is the required answer for this question. So I hope the concept is clear to you. A very similar set appeared once in CAT, in which we had to deal with shares. Right? We will cover that very soon. I hope the explanation is clear to you. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.